Hi guys, welcome back to Shweta Studio. Today's video is a special one because it's meant for all the foodies like me who are looking for easy and natural ways to detox. Don't worry, I'm not going to stop you from eating your favorites. Rather, we will see how to make detox drinks that can be easily included in our day-to-day routine so that it can be followed regularly. So without any further ado, let's get started. As we all know, aloe vera has numerous health benefits, result of which it is widely used in many Ayurvedic medicines and tonics. Its gel has laxative and anti-inflammatory properties that helps in digestion and encourage good bacteria. Easiest way to consume aloe vera is by making this detox juice, which will help naturally to boost the immune system, cleanse the liver and promote skin health too. With aloe vera gel, I have used lemon, ginger and mint to give this drink a tasty twist, as aloe vera gel doesn't have any distinct flavor to it. Add sufficient amount of water so that it is easily blended and everything comes together to form juice consistency. Here I am adding few ice cubes as it's summer in India and I like this drink chilled. Try this detox juice today and notice how light, fresh and clear-headed you feel afterwards. Before we move on to next recipe, I want to thank my Insta family who responded to my poll and voted for this video. Also, if you are not following me on Instagram, please do follow me. This is my handle and be a part of my Insta family, as there I am much active and post regular updates. I would be very happy to see you there. To make cumin seed tea, soak about 1 tablespoon of jeera in water and let it rest. This is the soaked jeera. See that water has got this yellow color. Preferably you should soak this overnight or else just boil it for some extra time. Flavor infused water is one of my favorite way to detox. It can be made with ingredients you already have at home. There's nothing fancy to it. I am using watermelon since they are in season right now. However, you can also use cucumber, orange, or lime instead. So guys, do try out this healthy and nutrient-dense infused water and let me know how it turned out. Also, do let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite of all. And do tag me on my social media account if you make this recipe. Thanks for watching. जल्दी ही मिलेंगे और नए ideas के साथ. Till then, keep smiling.